In order to log a report, go to the app.quarryfishing.com and then log in, which I'm logged in. And there's a few ways you can get there. You can click here, record trip, or you can click here, new entry. So you pick the date. So let's say it was today. You're fishing for 1 hour. It grabs the weather. It's not our water temperature in the lake. I do want to change that, but right now it's the saltwater temp. So we'll say we got one bass. We'll say it was 16 inches. Nothing was taken out. If you catch any peacocks, you can put them all in. If you get any of these invasives, put them in. If you want to put a photo to it, you can. Any type of notes. And that's it. You hit record session. You can click another one, or you go view my logs. You can look at your list, and here's today's session. And that's it.